Hello, welcome to Programming Academy channel. Please welcome to this amazing topic. So today we are going to study HTML and order list and order list. So this is the very good topic, guys. So please get to start. Guys, today you see here we have an order list and order list. So what does mean here? An order list with the bold here, you see, with name and with the bold here, you see, and then order list with the numbers. So sometimes we use the order list with the bold numbers, and then sometimes we use order list numbers. So if you guys are ready, so let's get to start to learning this another list tax. It's very easy and yeah, it's very easy. We can learn. So is the HTML basics for HTML for beginners. And guys, this image here, please take a look. This image here with the CSS. So we design with the CSS to make more professional, looks more beautiful, right? It's really beautiful. This is the video, CSS. So we now just learning the basic of HTML here. Some people they don't know how to start. Yeah, I want to show them. I want to help them how to start to learn basic of HTML, and then we are going to uh, more tough language like Python or like MongoDB or Node.js. So yeah, it's HTML like a React. So I don't want to confuse the React and this one is the very simple with the React. The React is a different way to code and HTML is a different way, but both of them very similar. Okay, so for basic for beginners. But yeah, let's get to start to code. Okay, let me share my code. Yes, guys. Um, okay. This the URL is the you see here also in the element for representing list of the items. So we saw in the video, so they were list, right? The items. Where the order of the items is not important because it's not important how we use, but important where you want to use it, right? So okay, and let's go to the list. Okay. In the list, okay. So in this list, wait, okay. Here we use Adam. We use Sarah. Sarah, and we use Jamal. Okay, and then guys, remember this is the bulb. Okay, when you bring this one, we told with the top left on the Another list. So let's go to the order list. Order list with mm, okay, with the oil. Okay, and then with the item the theme. Yeah, the item we also do it like this. The item is is normal items. Go to the big items. All small items. See guys, and it is the way of an order list. Order list. It's a very simple code, and it's easy code, and then you can easy understanding, and then you can make your website good, and you are ready to build your website. Very easy. Yeah, and you just here, then you go to the browser. You can save here, then you can go to browser, see exactly the same uh, results. Yeah, I think it's here enough, and we are going to study another new topic. So, guys, if you have any question, please write me down. And, yeah, I'm happy to answer all your questions. Thank you.